Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, the 26th. We're going to get right into the morning analysis. First of all, looking at any news events that we have today on Forex Factory. It looks like unemployment claims are coming out in 5 minutes. And then big one, Trump is speaking. That's at 4 p.m. though, so either low size today or literally no impact. But let's get right into it. Here we go. Starting off on the daily chart. Let's remove everything else. Our high time frame draw on liquidity would still be these equal lows. And then if we get above this volume imbalance right here, or this gap right here, then we'll probably run and take out these highs. But still, we got to see what happens in here. So previous day high right here. We already took out previous day low, so we don't need to mark that out. And then previous day consequent encroachment right there. Dropping down to a 4-hour chart. As you can see, this was the 1-hour consolidation that happened yesterday. Let's see if there's an SMT at the lows. I mean, they're equal lows right now on ES and NQ. ES has the equal lows. Let's go back to NQ. Okay. So no SMT, we're not going to call that an SMT. We have a little 4-hour imbalance, nothing too crazy. Relative equal highs up here. So we can mark this off as buy side liquidity right there, dropping down to the 1-hour time frame. Okay. Took out these lows. Nothing's really popping out at me on the 1-hour. Now dropping into the 15. Just make everything look nice. Bam, 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 bam. All right. So we have our minor sell side liquidity right there. And we have our high time frame. These lows right here are somewhat relative. Right there. But that's an extreme. Right now, there's no other targets to the downside of being bearish other than these two lows right here. And as you can see, pretty far away. Okay. So we're not really expecting those. Let me just check something right here. Hold up. Okay. So we have London high right here as a relative equal highs as a strong draw. We already took out London low and we already took out Asia low. So taking all of this into account, depending on the news that we have today, we have a couple things that can happen. So ideally and preferably, New York Open, we want ES to dig down a little more and completely take out those relative equal lows that is on ES, meaning we're going to want NQ to come down a little bit more. And then we can either come up first, inside macro time, retrace, and then find our entry inside the retrace up towards these relative equal highs. Or it can just kind of be like an entry model like this, straight up at in macro time. So that's what we're looking for. I'm gonna be more bearish on the day due to the depending if right now it's 8:30. If we run up initially right now and take out these highs, then I'm gonna be bearish for these lows and then possibly these lows depending on how volatile it is. If not, then I'm just gonna be looking for longs because we're already inside of a discount. But that's all we have for today. Trade safe. I hope you have a great